So, folks, 17-year-old triplets, Helena, Henaya, and Henry Rivers IV are skiers aspiring to represent Jamaica in the 2026 Winter Olympics in Italy. They join us now by Zoom. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you guys?
Good morning.
I like that. I like that. Henaya, let me start with you. I can understand that you want to ski, but then why you want to ski for a country that don't have any snow, don't have any ice, not even cold? Why you wanted to do that?
Well, my mom was born in Jamaica and she moved to America when she was about. So grew up learning how to ski. My dad, he grew up skiing, so he wanted to share his passion with us. And we just wanted to sort of give back to our mom. You know, she's been supporting us through everything. So we wanted to represent where she was from. And skiing for Jamaica is really important to us. And so.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow. So are you guys like really plugged into Jamaica? Like, when was the last time you were here? Tell us about your connection to Jamaica. We know Mommy was born here, but tell us about your own connection to Jamaica.
Yes, we visit Jamaica often. We just came back from our a little over a week down there. We went to Kingston, met with the Jamaica Olympic Association and the Jamaica Ski Federation in Kingston, and just went to Montego Bay to celebrate our great uncle's birthday and grow for just some relaxation and training time. And we go there at least once a year.
Oh, fantastic. So, Henry, what's it like? What does your training look like? What does the whole process look like? We can't wrap our minds around it because we don't have it here. We know our people are fast. We know we have hills that people run down and skate down and go-kart down, but it's a whole different level of training, a whole different kettle of fish with skis.
Well, training is a lot. It's like a lot of complicated things you work on. You can one day be running up hills, and the next day you could be just lifting weights, and then the next day you could like be around like just a bunch of strength and conditioning. And then for training, you do a lot of recovery because you're putting so much stress on your muscles, like any other sport.
Helena, I'm told you were hurt and missed out on the 2024 Youth Olympics. How are you now?
Now I'm much better. During that time, it was very hard because I was just getting back onto snow and training to prepare for races. So when the news was dropped that because originally I was supposed to head out with them and be their like technician and help with tuning their skis and making sure that they're ready, I was shocked when the news broke I could no longer attend or travel with them. So I was really happy because I was happy, but also very sad. But it was a good point for me to be able to spend that time training and getting back to where I need to be and focusing on my recovery as well. So it was very tough, but I learned to face the challenges with it and overcome it and get back to racing. So it was very hard, but I'm in great shape now. My hip is good. Everything's good. So I'm just really happy to be back. And
Okay, great. Because when you said much better, I was going to ask if you're 100% or you're still recouping now. But you're 100 now?
yes.
Oh, beautiful.
How did you guys get into skiing in the first place?
Your dad got us into skiing when we were really young.
Yep.
And we just loved it. So we kept doing it and decided that it was basically our passion. You know, it's like we surrounded our entire lives around it.
Yeah.
Did Dad have aspirations of you guys getting to this place? Like Serena and Venus's dad kind of trained them from they were little because he knew what he wanted them to become. Was that in his mind's eye, or was he just trying to get you guys involved in something that he loved and hoped that you would love it too?
He's been thinking about this since before we were born, so.
Yeah. Wow. And tell me about the aspect now of training and competing as 3 and not 1. That has to be the most amazing experience. It's either really great or super annoying, or both. Which is it?
Well, we went to ski academy. So my sister and I went to school in New Hampshire, and Henry went to school in Vermont, which is they're right next to each other. So Hannah and I would see each other every single day. We would train together, but we wouldn't really see our brother that often. We would only see him when we would go to races occasionally. So it was still good. We would still push each other, and we were like one call away, text away with Henry. So we would support, motivate each other, and it wasn't annoying whatsoever. We don't really have that dynamic when we train or race together. We continue to push each other, continue to motivate each other, and strive for greatness and not tear each other down.
Yeah. All I know about skiing is what they call slalom, I think it's called. What do you guys do? This thing where you come down, I was watching it a while ago.
At 1,000 million mile an hour.
Is that what you guys do? And that's how it's called?
Yes, that's what it's called. It's called alpine ski racing. And slalom is one of the disciplines we do. We also do giant slalom.
Giant slalom?
Yes.
That sounds like a ski come straight to Jamaica. Yeah? But that's all right. So tell me what's going on. Who is this now? Who is this?
That's
That's
me,
Helena,
and
yeah.
that's slalom.
This is slalom.
Yes.
It's single pole, quick, and giant slalom is the complete opposite.
Oh. How fast?
Jinx, how fast are you going here?
I could not tell you.
Pretty fast though.
We don't really do speed checks in slalom. In giant slalom and super G, super giant slalom, they would do speed checks and check how fast you're going. So they don't really do that in slalom.
Yeah, and I do downhill, and the fastest I've gone is 120, 121 kilometers an hour. So close to.
Well,
Wait,
wait,
hold on.
Henry.
What-
100 and my car don't even go that fast. 121 kilometers, Henry.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy when I got that speed.
Oh my God. What are you feeling, Henry, in that moment? Is there trepidation or is it all exhilaration and adrenaline?
I was super nervous in the start, like how every racer is. But then when you get out of the gate and you go past the first couple gates, it's easy. But when I was in downhill and I reached that top speed, I could just feel the wind like picking up like crazy on my face. So I just wanted to keep going faster and faster because it's a feeling that you won't want to. It doesn't want to go away. So.
Wow. Henry, let me stay with you.
wow.
Tell me about the next Olympics, the Winter Olympics. Do you have to qualify? You are in there already. You're going to win the gold medal. The three of you winning the same gold medal. Tell me about it, Henry.
I am 1 point away from qualifying in slalom. So that's basically a guarantee by next season. So
Woo! All right.
Yeah.
Congrats.
I would be working as hard as I can to get to that point and hopefully to qualify in GS. But speed, I don't think I can. I think I can make it, but it's a pretty far goal for me. So I'm just focusing on tech right now, slalom and GS.
What about the ladies? What's going on with you ladies?
We will be heading to Argentina to train for 2 months, and we'll basically do a full ski season in 2 months. So we should be set to qualify after those 2 months.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Fantastic. How does it feel to don Jamaican colors? How does it feel to compete for your mom's homeland? Your homeland, really, second generation. How does that feel?
It feels amazing. Awesome. This is something that we've been striving, and these are our goals. So we are just very excited that we're continuing down this path, and it's all positive.
Beautiful. Don't laugh at me because I know you're triplets, but who is the eldest?
I am Helena.
You know,
By
I knew
2
that.
minutes?
I knew that, you know.
By how much?
We're all 1 minute apart.
Henry, you second or
Oh,
third?
man.
Okay, I'm the middle child. Yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
You guys get along all the time, or you quarrel and argue and fight and complain and what? You guys are good friends?
Yeah. I mean, you could say that, but we're
No,
also,
no, I don't want to say that. You tell me whether it is so or not.
we're siblings. Like we're gonna fight. We're gonna argue.
Yeah. Do you physically feel each other's pain and like telepathically read each other's thoughts and stuff like that?
Sometimes we do, yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Where's mommy and daddy? Tell them push out the head so we can wave to them. Where's mommy and daddy? Them, Daddy. All right,
Hi,
there's mommy.
moms. Good morning.
So where's Mr. Henry III?
Where is mommy from?
Jamaica.
Hi,
There's
Dada.
Mr. Henry.
Oh,
Hey,
gosh.
daddy. No, man.
Y'all are a beautiful family, I got to say. Got to say.
All right, so
So mommy and daddy can't ski? Wanna teach them?
Yes. No, we teach them.
Watch your
mommy, where in Jamaica are you from?
Well, I was born in Kingston, but raised up in Porus.
Oh,
Okay,
Manchester.
fantastic.
Okay.
Fantastic to meet you guys. Daddy, coach, well done, sir. Well done, sir.
I was born in Jamaica, Queens.
Oh,
Queens, yeah.
Okay, that does, okay.
Believe
that
it,
counts.
believe it or not, I actually lived in Queens, Jamaica a long time ago. But there you go.
Can be Queens, Jamaica, no Jamaica, Queens. Oh, you say
Yeah,
it?
Jamaica, Queens.
New York.
We're gonna-
169th Street.
We're going to wait on the movie for this to be made.
Yeah,
Can you imagine
so
what this movie is made?
Gold medal, gold medal, gold medal. Simple.
Yeah.
Daddy, well done, coach. Well done. And mommy, fantastic, fantastic. And guys, just do your best. We love
have
you.
fun.
We love you. And enjoy yourself, no matter what. Enjoy yourself. And I'm going to tell everybody I'm related to you, and you just win the gold medal because you're my nephew and my nieces and stuff. So there you go.
And then he's gonna ask you for money.
Yeah,
That's usually how it goes, guys. So be very wary. You hear?
Can you ask your followers to follow them?
Sure. You ask them, Daddy. Go ahead and ask them.
All right, please follow them at rivers.triplets on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
All right.
All right. Increase their followers and let Jamaica know what they're doing.
That's right.
Final question, Daddy. How many more Henrys you going to have? Because you're gone 4 now.
He's going to 5, not me. Not me.
Daddy said, I'm done.
God bless you all. And thanks for speaking with us this morning. And stay safe, all right?
Lovely.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Eh?
Very
Excellent.
nice.
Excellent.
Very nice. Very nice. Skiing Rivers trips as Helena, Anaya, and Henry Rivers.
The fourth.
Henry the Fourth.
The 4th.
Coming up,
A father supporting his daughter, just like
right?
what we just saw. Soon come.